Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the weather strip of your car door yourself. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I have a problem. Let me show you the problem first and then I'm going to tell you how I'm going to fix it. So guys, take a look here. It has come out, right? And because of this, sometimes when I close the door, it doesn't get locked properly. Even here, when I open, you see it has come out all the way here, and if I close it simply, see what's happening, and it's not closed. Many times I have to open it, adjust it, then even use some additional force to lock the door, but still this is not good. It's hanging, right? So I during my last servicing I showed it to the dealer and he quoted a good amount to me. That's why I decided, sorry, I'm gonna fix it myself. So instead of replacing it all together, what I'm gonna do, I have found the spot. Like up to here it is fine, and from here, as you see, this has come out all the way till here. Okay, so a particular section is malfunctioned. So I'm gonna fix this. In order to fix this, what I'm gonna use, construction adhesive. Okay, you can find it in any construction shop. Like I have got it from Home Depot. You can purchase it from anywhere, and it's polyurethane based and it's a very strong adhesive. So you have to use it very carefully because the hold is gonna be very hard. So you don't wanna overdo anything here, right? So I'm gonna do it. So first thing, I'm gonna make a cut, rupture it using my caulking device. Now this part is ready. Another thing I would recommend, because as I said, it's like a very high grade adhesive, so using proper protection is good. There's no chance of like coming in particles and all. That's why I have not put the glasses on my eyes. But in order to protect your hand, put on full cloths and also use gloves. Okay, so because these are disposable gloves, after using it I can throw them up. So now you can load it in the caulk gun. The next step is gonna be to find out where exactly you are gonna put it, right? You don't want to put it everywhere, because then it will be even more difficult to take it out. Rather than, like, if you find out the spots like here, and here, like wherever you see screws, put drops of this, big drops of this solution. Okay, I'm gonna show you as much as I can. You can see I'm doing it. Okay, you don't have to do everywhere, but yes, make sure you use the regular points, regular joints where you're gonna joint it, and it covers the whole distance. You got my point. And it should be like significant drop, so that when you press it gently, it spreads too. Now this compound is highly poisonous, so make sure it should be out of reach of children. Now gently push your weather strip on it. Okay, gently. You see I'm doing it. Next, I would say put a weight, something like keep the door open so that it sticks. You need to give it proper time to settle. Sometimes, like if it has come out from a wide area like up here and here, then first apply only on the front part, let it dry, then apply on this part and let it dry. Okay, so better it does, better the grip will be. So let it settle for a few hours at least, depending upon the weather too, and then you should all be good. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know if you like this workaround. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.